Hi, we're R&J RV Adventures. I'm Rhonda.
And I'm Jim, and after months of being cooped up in our home in Texas, due to the coronavirus, we decided to buy our first RV and explore the land.
We've mostly traveled within Texas so far. But we're now starting to venture out and explore outside of our great state even more.
We'd like to invite you to follow our journey. Along the way, we'll share with you some of our favorite campsites, travel stops, and products. And we will introduce you to our camping dog, Bear.
And he will have his own intro video very soon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next RV adventure. Thanks. Bye.